taking this as an immediate propulsion block entry. So got this order block here, got this order block here, traded into it, closed above the midpoint of it. So my stop is at the low of this order block. Still haven't gotten the first presented fair value gap, and we also have a volume imbalance right here, so it is a little sketchy. Um, but that's the thesis for the trade entry. And in terms of an exit, I'm looking for this high here. This also hasn't been taken, but I'd like to see this be taken. Okay, so stopped out there. Not seeing too much going on. This is possibly the new order block, but we got to see some sort of displacement. We've revisited this fair value gap a lot here. So I'm actually going to note it. So it's not the cleanest price right now. Looking at this as a possible order block. I want to see if it can trade into here. So still a little bit riskier of an entry considering price wasn't really doing too much here. We did revisit this fair value gap a couple times, but price is still kind of just like locked right now. So um, makes this a bit of a sketchier entry, but displacement there as well as this possible order block right here. And we did just balance this price range, so I want to see if we can balance this one here. Let's see if we can if we revisit this before making any sort of meaningful move. We've got a couple volume imbalances in there, so um, makes it more likely to want to trade a little bit lower. So we want to see what we get here. I'd like to see a large range expansion on this candle or the very next one. But again, remember, we do have these volume imbalances in here. So we could see a strong down candle followed by an immediate rebalance. Or a down candle that is the immediate rebalance, followed by a candle rebalancing that candle and then taking us higher. So we could see a couple different things right here. I would think all roads lead to running out this liquidity up here at least. Okay, so we're at 50 ticks. I'm just going to bring this in to cover commissions. Haven't yet run this. We ran this, which is great, of course. Haven't run this, but I'm looking for price to run this. I'd like to see it get to here, but that's not necessary. So just bringing the stop into the bottom quadrant. Just moving this over here to see if we take this out. So the high is 605.75 on this candle. That's the minor buy side that we're looking for right now. So I'd like to see a large range expansion candle right here. That gives us some displacement higher, running this out at least. A little bit slow there, so might want to watch our just watch our stop as well as the position. Okay, so now I'd like to see a pretty strong expansion on this candle here. So there we go. We took out that minor buy side. I'm just going to move this up here. So I would like to see the very next candle come into this one a little bit. We got to see how this one closes, but I would ideally like to see it come into this one a little bit and then just start to run higher. Looks a little messy, so I'm gonna bring this up, and we may get stopped out, but I'm bringing it up with the idea that I want to see it come into here and then expand quickly. If it comes down like a bit and stops us out, um, just a little bit messier of a delivery, I still do think that we expand pretty rapidly, but we're now out of the position, so not a big deal. So now we should want to see this head straight up. In no position on right now, but um, looking to take this out as well as this price point here with a stop down here if we were trading this candle be straight up. If this candle isn't straight up, we're gonna see some inefficient delivery and maybe head down a bit, but this current candle should start to head straight up. There we go. No, I don't think we're done. 150 macro is going to be coming up here soon, but we hit the targets that I was looking for, so that's it for me. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you found this insightful. Be safe. Good trading.